is so cool. I could do that. I'll show them who the best climber is. Look at me, Mama. I'm climbing the tree just like you. Hey, it's me, Mbile. I'm up here, right at the top. I can see everything from up here. Look at that. I'm as high as the birds. Whee! I wish I had big, strong wings like that. And look at those baboons over there in the treetops. They're eating all the fruit. And there are all the wildebeest. They eat grass. Ugh. Mama, I can see so much from up here. Mama? Mama Muta? Where is she? Ah, there she is over there.
Mama Muta, Tatu, and Moja didn't see Mbile climbing up the tree. They've gone off to look for him in the long grass.
They really are a long way away. I'd better get down and catch up with them. Oh, this is quite high. I don't like it. I'm scared. I'm stuck. I can't get down. Mama, come back. Mama? Mama Muta, please come back. Help.